Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable ray tracing RTX in Minecraft Bedrock. First of all, go to the marketplace and go ahead and search for RTX. If you see all of these options, then you're good to go. Now all you need to do is go ahead on the browser and search for Minecraft Bedrock Ray Tracing RTX resource packs and choose from any you like. So for example, for today I'm going to choose legendary one and simply download it. Now once you have saved it and you have it on your downloads, you want to go ahead and double click on it. And after that, as you can see, the import has started and it was successfully installed. So now all you need to do is let's go ahead and choose a new world, create a new world. Now, after that, you want to choose resource packs, press on owned, and then you will see this, press activate. It's been activated. Now, sometimes you will also need to go ahead and turn on the cheats. Now just go ahead and create a world. And here you have it now. Now you want to go ahead and press on escape, then go to settings. On settings, you want to scroll down here and press on video. And you want to go ahead and find the ray tracing option. And for example, for me, it is right there, ray tracing render distance. And you can go ahead and choose whichever you want. Or you will only see like ray tracing and you need to enable it. Make sure it is enabled, and here it is, ray traced. Go back. And here's how it looks like. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.